Hi po. We are here in Paway Church, the old church. So beautiful. There, oh.
1919.
Yeah, it's so cute. There, oh.
It's old na, so tagal.
So look at the place. Wow. We love this church. Huh? There, oh. I'm Daddy and this is my son. What is your name? Jut Jut.
Wrong!
Wrong. What is?
Jetty.
Jetty. This is my son named Jesse. There. Look at to. So beautiful. There. Wow. So beautiful. There is a place also. Where's Mama and Lily?
Pause na?
Okay, so beautiful.
Pause na? Pause na? Pause na? Pause na?
2 minutes.
Tagal?
Let's come back here or Pagudpud. What
Both.
you like? Both. But bye guys. JT is tired na. JT want to sleep.
Oh.
Ano? Ah. And then,
Pause na?
yes. Bye.